century new Power T Engine International Trade Company Limited, to provide you with a small all-in-one filter cartridge dust collector. Save time on pipe layout. The equipment from top to bottom is respectively induced draft fan, pulse injection device, filter cylinder dust removal chamber, ash storage bin. You can filter the material at the same time for water and oil repellent treatment. The following is product quality inspection. PV coating treatment, anti-static treatment, and flame retardant treatment, and so on. The core component of our product is the rotor jet device. The airflow is cleaned by rotating the jet filter in the rotor. The device stickers are in English. The spraying system can be switched to manual and automatic cleaning modes. When cleaning the addition of the rotor, the filter cylinder cleaning becomes very thorough. For the filter area requirements are high, we have special filter paper material filter drum. Filter paper life is not as good as polyester filter drum.